Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. In an effort to develop coaches across the island, the Jamaica Football Federation and CONCACAF held a 3-day coaching workshop at the JFF UWI Technical Centre. As Keon Rayner reports, the coaches worked with players at the grassroots level, as that will be the main target group.
9 coaching educators from Jamaica took part in a recent CONCACAF and a JFF coaching workshop, which they hope will help drive the country's football in the right direction. According to the JFF's Director of Football, Andrew Peart, the main focus was looking at technical strategy and development as a football nation.
Elite players, all your national team players will come from your grassroots football, and also to better support those players, boys and girls in the grassroots environment, they have to be led by highly skilled, competent coaches. So us being here today on the coach educators workshop, plus also the practical aspect of it and using boys from a grassroots environment and a grassroots club, it's really important.
Keon Bodrick, who guided Excelsior to the Manning Cup and Olivier Shield football titles, was one of the coaches in the workshop.
Most importantly, even so, for my coaching staff, this will be able to make me actually help my coaching staff to deliver better sessions to the players at Excelsior, as well as how we relate to the players as well. This course would be catered towards that. So this is helpful as it relates to those aspects.
Broderick hopes his involvement can go further than his school base.
My main aim to be a part of this program is not only to help assist and help the coaches at Excelsior, but the wider Jamaica. And once we can assist coaches to get better as individuals and also as coaches, then it's good for the product of football in the country.
Broderick wants other coaches to grasp the aspect of winning.
One area of concern would be the win at all costs mentality. Even though playing the game it's competitive and we want to win, it cannot be at any cost necessarily, and it must be to the development of the players in Jamaica. We actually know that most of the players that we coach, they are not going to become professional players. So what kind of value we would add to these players outside of the game of football is very important.
Coaches from Trelawney, Manchester, St. James and Kingston and St. Andrew took part in the workshop. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.